The organic uplift in action. I'm very proud to present that with the help of AppRadar and with the help of my client Pentaflix, we managed to publish this case study that shows how effective the organic uplift can really be. The organic uplift just for you to get an idea about what I'm speaking about is the fact that you get more organic users every time you pay for paid users. So you get one paid user bringing you 2 new organic users. And this is actually what we achieved with Pentaflix. We paid for 1 user and we had an organic uplift of up to 200% and more, meaning we got more than 2 users coming from organic every time we paid for 1 user. So thank you very much, AppRadar, for publishing this case study and also for providing such an amazing tool. You can learn more about why AppRadar was so crucial in that process by clicking down the link below. And just let me know about your feedback. I announced it before that I'm gonna share this case study with you, so I'm looking forward to your feedback. Let me know what you think and also let me know if you experience numbers like that, what your experience has been using the organic uplift. Or if you have any questions, just leave them down below. I'm looking forward to hear from your feedback. See you next time. Bye bye.